if you use AI for work, the way that you price your service and products is need to change. The old model is broken, it doesn't work anymore, and it's not even honest. So how we should fix this? I want to start with the client point of view. For the client, when they think, okay, now with AI, it shouldn't be this cheaper. It takes less. And if you follow the logic, the answer is yes, it takes less. But what we're doing is completely different now. What we need to change the discussion is from hours to judgment. Okay, our work is not connected anymore to the time that we spend doing it, but it's connected to our wisdom, our understanding of the problem. So today in today's video, we're going to look into this. I create a framework that is honest and transparent, so we can change the discussion, explain to the client how we're going to price our work. And so before we look into this, please share me your story. Let me know how you do it and if you find a solution. Also, like and subscribe this video. I want to build a community. I want to grow this community, and I need your help. So what is happening? I created 3 different elements that we can use to price correctly our work. The first one is the compass. The compass is our wisdom, our understanding of the problem. So our clients come to us maybe for a service, a product, a consultant. And what's happening is we are able to guide the clients to the best solution because our history, our understanding of the problem. But also we can reframe the question. Sometimes the clients don't have the knowledge needed to understand fully the problem, so we can explain that. That knowledge, that compass, that guide us and guide the clients to the solution, that is the value. That is the major value why you should be chosen from you or another person that does this, a similar service. That is one of the major elements that we can offer, but it's not enough. Okay, another element that is big, I call it the harness. Harness is how we guide AI. Okay, now I'm going to explain how this harness works, but then at the end I'm going to also give you a way to create this system to use AI to create your personal way of working with AI. So the harness is, for example, your custom prompt. But it also can be your custom AI that you build to work on the specific project or to work with you on several elements. But think about how also the future, the direction that we are going, where we're going to have more and more agentic AI. Therefore, we're gonna have probably AI workers that are gonna do a lot of different work with us. They're gonna be orchestrated together, and it's gonna be like a company driven by those AI agents. This is change completely the narrative, but how we organize this team of AI, how we organize the structure and to create the output that has value, that is the quality. This is our research and development that we did. This is our experience, understanding of the topic of the work we are doing, and therefore that is the value. Okay. But again, also this is not enough. So there is a third element that I call it the filter. Because what we need to do is also understanding the output of the AI. AI can give us unlimited quality output, or according to the AI, all of them are amazing. Okay, but we know through our experience that it's not true. They are not all amazing. Some are good, some are really bad. Okay, our curating the output, our understanding and filtering out what is a noise, it's a value. Okay, this is done through our wisdom, and but also through our experience of understanding through many times working with AI, what actually works and what it doesn't. So these 3 elements can create a kind of fair way to price the AI, but also allow the clients to understand. Okay, this creates a kind of insurance to the clients, because we have months, years of experience working with AI that allow us to use AI in our unique way. Okay, so it's not like everybody it just, you know, because those tools are also available to the clients. So you could say, yeah, do it yourself. So the moment actually you ask this to the clients understand that is the knowledge that makes the difference. So this is what I've been using, and it works, and it's clear and honest. Now let's talk about how you can create your personal harness, okay, your system that help you create this unique way of working with AI. So, I mean, if you're here, it's because you've been already using AI. But what I'm suggesting is a higher level of working with AI, something that is compounding knowledge, compounding process that it get better and better with time. Okay, so this AI improves itself in a way that can be more and more useful. How does it work? I created an operation system that works on top of AI. It's called the ResonantOS. This is free, open source, so you can download. The link is below. This open source version is not my custom version. Okay, I created my custom version of it, and that is because it works on my history, who I am, how it works, and so on. So what I'm sharing is the framework, so you can build your own custom version of it. So ResonantOS has a few elements that makes unique. The one that I was talking at the beginning was the memory. Okay, it has an advanced memory where you can slowly, with time, compounding the knowledge. Okay, the AI is going to learn what is been working with you, the failure, the wins, the way of your work, and so on. This compounding knowledge, it makes the AI incredibly useful. But also you can give like a document. There is a way to create your, through the system that I'm sharing, there's a way to create your creative DNA. Creative DNA is basically, it's you, who you are, how you work, and so on. And AI is going to ask you a series of questions that are going to extract your creative DNA out of you. Then you can give to AI, and therefore it knows who you are, it knows your value, how you work, and so on. There is another really important element, which is the philosophy. So think about AI. There is all this data. Okay, so data that you have, or data that you have inside, and data maybe from your clients. But how do you interpret this data? So how you give a meaning to what you're doing? That is done by philosophy. Philosophy is like a worldview, how you interpret reality. So I created this philosophy that is perfect for working with AI, because it is about challenging some of the ideas, but also looking for resonance and dissonance. So it's not about who is right or who is wrong. It's more about let's work together, let's collaborate, let's build together. I'm kind of simplifying. The philosophy is amazing. Actually, you should have a look. Again, link in the description. This philosophy, it's good for human, but incredibly useful for AI. I discovered this just by chance. I created this philosophy because it was my journey, my life philosophy. Okay, and I said one day, okay, but what about if I give it to AI? What's happening? Changed completely. Okay, AI now has a way to give meaning to what it's doing, and it's beautiful. So again, try it out, let me know how it works. And so for today, this is what I wanted to share. This channel is a new one, needs to grow, and is about me sharing with you my journey with AI, the philosophy behind the building of AI, and how to prepare to this world with AI. So this is what I'm trying to do, is to build a community. So I really would love you to share your idea. You can subscribe to the mailing list, and again, watch the next video, but like and subscribe. Let's build this and let's work together. And thanks a lot for being so until now, and see you next time. Ciao.